Alright, welcome back to the Midden Computer Trading channel. And we've just completed part 1 of our CapCut beginner series, and I am so proud of how far you've come. In this video, let us do a quick recap of everything we've learned so far, and I lines give you a sneak peek into what is coming next in part 2, the exciting world of CapCut AI tools. Let's begin with a recap of all 8 episodes in part 1. Episode 1. Interface Walkthrough. We started by exploring the CapCut interface, the timeline, preview screen, toolbar, so you know your way around the editor. In Episode 2, Importing Media, you learned how to bring videos, images, and audio into CapCut. This was your first step in building a real project. Then in Episode 3, Basic Editing, you practiced using the basic editing tools, cut, split, delete, and rearrange clips on the timeline. In Episode 4, Adding Text and Titles, we spiced things up with text and titles, intros, outros, and on-screen labels. In Episode 5, Music and Sound Effects, you learned how to add background music and sound effects and control the volume. In Episode 6, Adding Transitions, you made your edits smoother with transitions, fades, zooms, and other effects that help clips flow naturally. In Episode 7, Filters and Effects, you explored filters and effects to give your video a unique style and mood. Finally, in Episode 8, Exporting, you wrapped up by learning how to export your finished video with the best quality settings for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And that's the full journey of Part 1, the foundations for beginners in CapCut. If you followed along, you now have the essential skills to create and edit your very own videos from start to finish. But this is just the beginning. In Part 2, we're diving into CapCut AI tools, where the real magic happens. You'll learn how to generate videos with AI, auto-generate subtitles, create voiceovers, and so much more. Thanks for joining me on this journey so far. If you're excited for Part 2, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and brings us one step closer to reaching our goal of 1 million subscribers. Share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested in learning about AI editing. We'll see you again soon. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a comment below. I always appreciate hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video.